what makes learning Cambridge at SIS so unique is how supportive and engaging the environment is. Teachers really encourage us to ask questions and think critically rather than just memorizing the content in the textbook. From my personal experience, the classes here don't really have a large number of students compared to other schools, and I really like that because it somehow makes the learning environment more intimate in a sense, and lessons doesn't just feel like teachers giving us lectures, but it just feels like the whole class is having one big conversation of real-world examples and how to implement the topic we are learning into the real world. And I think that it makes learning more engaging and more meaningful in a way. And on top of that, there's a really big, strong sense of belonging within the school because everybody just receives the same amount of opportunities and support no matter where they come from. And I would also like to mention how this school has so many different nationalities. I just feel like it's another motivation to work harder, and it gives us the confidence to aim high, to continue in pursuing our studies, whether that's internationally or locally.